What's going on, guys? I'm back with part 3 from the Uprising op at Soft Air and J. If you haven't watched part 1 or 2, make sure you go check those out in the description below. That's gonna be it, so let's get right into the video. After an unsuccessful push into the oil depot, me and Kevin group up and decide it would be a better idea to push into the Insurgency. The Insurgency is a flag post with 2 wooden buildings to either side. Alright, let's try and flank left so that we can get into tri-bit, alright?
Alright, I'll follow. Wanna try and get Chris?
You say you saw one over there.
Wanna try and get Chris, Kevin?
Alright, huh?
Chris, just come back to respawn, bleed out. We have an idea. A plan.
I just responded. I'm in village.
I never actually received Chris's message saying he was in village because him and Kevin both tried sending a message at the same time.
Yeah,
because of that, me and Kevin decided to leave without Chris.
Let's go. Let's go. Enemies?
No, that's a friend.
I don't see much on the enemies.
You wanna move up? I'll cover you on the right side.
Just move up into the barrels?
Yeah.
Alright.
Me and Kevin spot about 5 hostiles moving towards the far wooden structure. We call for our support gunner Chris to come help us, but Chris decides to move into the closer wooden building so he can support us from the tower.
Come on, Kyle, let's go. Fuck it. Tower? Tell me if it's suppressed, I'll run up.
The tower.
Come on, Chris, suppress the tower so I can run in. Where are you, Chris? Come on. Chris, keep lighting them up while they're confused. One sec, Chris. I'll raise a flag. Let me get in there with you. Alright. No, it's blue. What?
There's some confusion here because our team never actually put up the flag. Technically, the 10 team can still spawn at this location, but the guy decided to be a nice guy and he just called himself out and respawned at his other base.
Come on, Chris. Suppress. Don't let any of them get fucking in here. Where's our... Chris, I tried, but you took forever to get in here. There's like 7 of them in there now.
Alright guys, with the capture of one of the 2 Insurgency buildings,
Chris, you
that's
went on
gonna
your
be it
ass.
for part 3. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys check out the 2 videos on screen right now if you haven't seen them yet.